Usborne first reading. King Midas and the Gold. King Midas was very rich. He was kind too. One day he met an old man. "I am lost." Midas helped the man to find his house. "Dad, my son is a god," said the old man. "He can give you a wish." "I love gold," said King Midas. "I wish I could touch things and turn them to gold." King Midas touched his stick and it turned to gold. He touched his palace and it turned to gold. He touched his dinner and that turned to gold too. Ow! "How can I make it stop?" said King Midas. "There is a secret river in the hills," said the god. "Find it and wash yourself in it." Midas walked a very long way. At last he found the river, and the water washed away his golden touch. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.